Hi, hope you're having an amazing day. As you saw from the title of this video, today we're going to be doing another Dollar Tree haul. So this is a little bit of a massive haul. I always say that, but it really is. Now my Dollar Tree has been lacking very much in the makeup department, so I don't have a lot of makeup, but I do have a bunch of like beauty care products, some cutesy products that I found, some makeup products that I've been looking for. So if you want to see what products I picked up from my local Dollar Tree, just keep on watching. So I want to do the more like miscellaneous things first. First off, we have a room spray. I keep saying that I'm not going to repurchase these, but I keep doing it. This one here is their Home Glow Tahitian Sunset Spray. Now I did spray this in store and it smelled amazing, so I had to purchase it for my room. Basically just meant to make your environment smell good. So yeah, did go ahead and purchase this. And again, it just smells amazing. And I don't know if they had different scents in this specific like line, but girl, it smells so good. Again, I'm talking about the more miscellaneous products first. I also did need a roller. Now, did I really need one? No. But the ones that I purchased, the ones that you kind of like reuse, you just wash them, I'm not the biggest fan of those, to be honest. And I do have quite a few of them. But I'm like, girl, I'm going back to work. I wear a lot of black leggings. You know, I just need something to get rid of my dog hairs. Don't want my dog hairs to be all over me all the time. So I'm like, let's just go ahead and purchase one of these. They're super inexpensive. It's just a laundry essentials. It's easy peel. It's a lint roller. We all need a lint roller in our lives. So I just went ahead and purchased one. This one, literally, I mentioned so many times on my channel. I always buy these hauls. So these are their menthol cough supplement, cough and throat relief hauls. Love them. These are in the honey lemon flavor. I love these. I love carrying them in my purse whenever I'm feeling a little bit of a tickle in my throat like I did earlier. Just pop one of these in your mouth and you feel amazing. 10 out of 10. Love this line. And I also if I had to pick between this and the cherry, literally love these more. I'm like kind of speeding through this. Next we have a Color Vibe Rapid Dry Coat. I also did mention this in my empties video. I just filmed that and I love this, girl. I have them over top my press-ons from Family Dollar and it's just a really nice vibrant kind of shine that you get from it. It also is very quick and easy to dry, so that's what I really love about this line. I also do own so many of their actual nail polish colors. Love them. They're so good. Something else that I saw that I didn't need was this, and these are basically from Smart Care, and this is their Barbie 10 pocket tissues 6-pack. Basically comes with a bunch of tissues and it just has a bunch of like little Barbies on it. I thought this was adorable. Now I am a grown woman, so did I really need these? No, but I need tissues. People need tissues. Maybe my boyfriend will need a tissue one day and I can pull one of these out of my purse and be the savior. Okay, so I just think these are adorable and I could not pass up on these, girl. I do have like the big tissue Barbie box as well from the Dollar Tree. I love it. It's just cute. It's cute. We can all have fun with our Barbie. So I thought this was so cute, so I just went ahead and purchased it. So I did purchase a phone case, which I don't have with me. I don't even have it on my phone, girl. It was just way too small for my phone. I do have the iPhone 14 Pro Max and I purchased this because I thought maybe the 13 and the 14 have similar sizes, but I was wrong. This is the iPhone 13 Pro Max case and basically it's just like a bright green case. I'll just put like footage of it, how it looks. It's really nice. However, it's like very, like you can tell it's not for my phone and I'm just not loving that right now. So I just went ahead and purchased a new phone case from Burlington today. It's a really beautiful lilac color. I've really been into purples as of lately again. So yeah, I don't know, but it was really inexpensive, so Now getting into like the makeup kind of products, we have this Sassy and Chic makeup sponge with case, and I just thought this was adorable. It literally looks like a little coffee. Not that I drink coffee, but I just thought it was cute. So it literally comes with a little case and the little sponge inside. This one here was in the dark brown. They also did have like a light gray one as well. Let me go ahead and get in here. Here's a look at the sponge. It's not very soft, but basically it looks like that. Is a beveled shaped sponge, really cute. And then we also get the little case. How stunning is this? It literally looks like a little coffee cup, and you do get those little holes like for ventilation so your sponge doesn't start smelling weird. That looks so cute. So you just go ahead, throw your little sponge in there, and there you got your little sponge latte. This is adorable. I also did go ahead and repurchase my favorite LA Colors color corrector. I did finally see this and spot this at my Dollar Tree. They have not had these in stock for some reason, but finally got it, and I love using the one in peach. It's just my favorite, girl. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this and just throw it in my collection already. So if you haven't seen, there's a close-up look at that. It's basically just a concealer. It's a little corrector vibe, same kind of product, same applicator. Just gives you a little bit of a correcting under the eyes. So really love this product, and again, can't wait to finally use it again. Next product I purchased, literally didn't need this, don't know why I even have it here with me, but this is the LA Colors loose eyeshadow in the shade Lollipop. It's a cute pink shade. I just don't use these a lot, so I think I'm gonna go ahead and leave it in the packaging, take it to work so someone can use it, or like give it away to someone, because I know myself and I'm not going to use this. So I'm just going to leave it in the packaging. I'm going to pass it on. I'm not sure why I purchased this. I always do this where I purchase it and then I don't use it. So yeah, we're going to leave it in the packaging and I'm not going to swatch it, but it's a nice like pinky kind of product and it looks cute. However, I'm not going to use it, and also does come with an applicator. Next we have this product, which is an exfoliator. So these are the Spa April Bath and Shower facial sponges. You get 2 products in here. Basically they're just meant to exfoliate your skin. You apply a cleanser and then you use these to remove the excess makeup. So I saw that they had this at my local Dollar Tree and I don't think I've seen these before, so I went ahead and picked it up. It comes with a white and a gray. They look really nice and I'm pretty sure I'll get use out of them. Let me go ahead and get in here. A little rough, but I think once you have like the cleanser on there, they should kind of soften, especially with water and all that. So they look really promising. I cannot pass up on their press-on nails. These are from 7 Nail and these are their fashion ones. So basically I saw these pink ones and they just look so beautiful. I cannot wait to throw these on. And again, I did have to get the 2 pairs so they can match. I also saw these like purpley pinky vibed ones, and although I don't love them as much as the ones that I just spoke about, these are also stunning as well. So definitely can't wait to throw on these the most, but I think these are also these are also really pretty as well. So that was the last product from my haul. I hope you guys enjoyed. I do have a Dollar Tree playlist, which is always linked down below, of all my Dollar Tree videos. Again, don't forget to like and subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.